display labels, which you should have. Yep, the first label is going to go right on your tube.
It is registration day for our spring class. Oh no, my computer's restarting. This is actually horrible. Right now I have an advisory meeting, a meeting with my advisor. So he pretty much just like confirms like all the classes I want to register for. It is really early. We had PE registration today at 7 a.m. Like it started at 7 a.m. and usually everyone wakes up right when it opens so that they can like get the best PE because they fill up really quickly. I decided to just sleep in and pray that something was still available when I woke up. So I just signed up for that like 5 minutes ago and I'm signing on now. Hello. Good morning. Finished that meeting. I registered for 8 classes, which don't worry, I'm not actually gonna take 8 classes. That would actually kill me. Hi. Oh my god, I'm tired. I only slept, don't tell my parents. But I only slept 4 hours last night. Wait, that's not true. I slept 6 hours last night. So right now I'm actually doing an application for a program at school for next semester. So I'm gonna finish that up and then maybe get some breakfast. I'm not sure, but we're gonna just do a little work time lapse because even when it's the holiday, even when it's winter break, the grind never ends. So. Wow, it's literally 10 a.m. and she's already ticked off so many things from her to-do list. I literally finished my application like a freaking boss. And now I can actually get ready for the day because I didn't do that earlier. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Sarah Chang. If you're new to the channel, I am a sophomore at MIT and today is Chinese New Year, aka Lunar New Year for our non-Chinese folk. So I am so excited. I get to spend it at home this year. Last year I did not spend it at home and I am overall just very excited. It's not like a crazy day where I'm doing like a ton of fun stuff, but I do have a lot planned for the day. I do have a lot of work to do this morning. Okay, I was looking for like a qipao, which is like traditional Chinese garb, but I couldn't find anything traditional except this shirt. Except this shirt is like not that cute at all. I finished my work. So busy today. Ooh, so yummy. Oh wow, you're gonna be in the vlog. My mom is making me eat food. Her celery and beef. It's so good, Mom. Wow. 今天煮的很好吃。今天为什么？它今天煮的非常好吃。Perfect boiled egg, right there. I did that. Right now I'm in the kitchen making boba. I cooked my boba pearls. I just used dried boba. Now I'm gonna make the tea. I just used some black tea leaf balls. Put a couple into my boiling water and let that soak. And then my secret ingredient is, even though it's called milk tea, there's no milk in it, and you actually just use condensed milk. And it makes it taste like a boba shop. It makes you taste like you bought it from China. It is so good, I promise you.
But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moon, like I never shows.
It's like mid-afternoon.
No, like this I have no glasses.
It's okay. We're gonna make sticky rice cake. We're gonna make niangao for Chinese New Year. It's supposed to represent that every year is better than the previous. So we're gonna make that right now. It's a very traditional holiday dessert, so come bake with us. My mom made red bean paste. Mom, it looks like poop. Look, come out, look at it.
Hey.
Just kidding. Okay, let's start making. Very simple. Baking powder, glutinous rice flour, eggs, brown sugar, milk, and we're just gonna cook.
If I had been honest with you from the start, don't say it's okay if I'm falling and you're running away.
Hello, it is later on in the day and we are going to start packing for college. I'm moving to MIT's campus very, very soon, and I really need to pack. I've done like literally nothing to pack. It's already like very late in the afternoon. I honestly procrastinated this very, very hard. Let's try to pack as quickly as possible. I will give you a little montage time lapse of me packing, but let's go. I'm wearing this beanie that my mom and I have matching for Christmas.
I should have told you that I loved you one more time.
Stick it all the way down and then just flip it.
Yes.
You made an ugly one.
Oh, I did make a really ugly one. It's okay though.
I should have told you that I loved you.
Taste test. Oh, which one should I eat? We made chocolate covered strawberries. Okay, let's do bananas first. They're so small. They're too small. These are so pretty. Hello, it is the next day. We have 2 days until campus move-in. The weather here is horrible. The weather everywhere is horrible. We're getting kind of worried that our flight, we stop in Baltimore on our way to Boston. So we're kind of worried that our flight to school might honestly get canceled or something might happen to it, but we'll see. Right now it's just the middle of the day, it's the next day, and we're about to give TJ a haircut. So I'm just gonna flex on you all my haircutting skills as a multi-talented woman. Let's go do a haircut.
Really exciting creative content.
Here's my haircutting kit. We have this thing. I don't know what this is called. Shears, maybe? Hairbrush and scissors. And that's the setup. I have cut hair 5 times before. I've cut my mom's hair before. When I was really young, I cut my mom's hair. Let's just say she had to get a haircut after. But I've actually gotten like pretty good at haircutting, I feel like. Pay attention.
Very difficult challenge.
360. Oh wait, don't 360.